all-purpose flour 240 gram, cocoa powder 35 gram, baking powder 1½ teaspoons, baking soda 1½ teaspoons. Sift it well. Granulated sugar 200 gram, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk together until well combined. Add 2 eggs room temperature, 280 milliliters milk room temperature, melted butter 60 gram, vegetable oil 50 gram, white vinegar 1 tablespoon. Mix together until well combined and smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Preheat oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Once done, let cool for 15 minutes. And then, demold the cake. Enjoy with chocolate frosting.